Hi, I'm Julie from Jingles English, and I just wanted to welcome you to this video. My approach to English is to give you tried and trusted tips to help you take your English from mediocre to awesome. So, welcome. And today's focus is about the TH sound. This is a tough sound for so many students. Most or a lot of languages around the world do not have this sound. And as a result, it's a very strange way to form your lips and mouth. So, TH sound comes in two forms. There's the voiced, and the unvoiced, which is just air. The voiced TH, if you put your hand here and you put your tongue just between your lips, now my lips aren't touching my tongue. It's not like that. Okay. There's a small gap between my tongue and my teeth. My tongue is relaxed and just a little bit outside of my mouth. When I have the voice sound, put your hand here. You can feel it buzzing, and it feels like your tongue and your lips and mouth are buzzing too. Now, the unvoiced TH sound is basically the same shape of your mouth, but you're blowing air outside of, I'm just looking for, here we go. You're blowing air outside of your mouth without making the vocal cord sound. So your vocal cords are here. The voiced sound comes from here. The unvoiced sound, same shape, same tongue position, but I'm blowing air between my teeth and my tongue. Okay, watch. Now, that doesn't happen when I go, a little bit of air comes out. But when I make the unvoiced, okay? So, this, that, those are voiced. This, that. These are function words. Usually, the function words are the voiced TH sound. Now, there's no special rule, but usually the function words are the unvoiced or are the voiced sounds, okay? Now, the thankful, thankful, thoughtful. Those words are content words, and they're usually a soft TH sound. We also have the TH sound that's in the middle of words, like bother, bother, bother. Okay. Brother, brother. Those are voice TH sounds. Okay. All right. Another way you could do this, which is kind of silly, but it might work for you, is make a raspberry. This is called a raspberry. Right? That's a raspberry. To change this to the unvoiced TH sound, start by sticking your tongue out. And then I'm going to slowly relax my tongue. Relax, relax, relax. Let it stop moving and keep that blowing air out. And that's how you can get the feeling of the TH sound. I'll show you. It's like a balloon blowing. Okay, when I relax, so I start by blowing, pushing my tongue, And then I relax my tongue, relax my tongue, relax my tongue, stop moving it. And at the very end, that's that final TH unvoiced sound, right? Think, think. Now be careful. You don't want to stick your tongue out like a turtle. You don't want to go think, right? Don't do that. It's just a little. Think, 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 think. All right, give it a try. Leave me some comments in the chat to let me know how this goes for you. And if you have any questions, shoot them in the chat, and hope to see you in another video. Okay, bye.